A scintillating morning to one and all present here. I, Radhe Raj, along with my friends, welcome you all to the morning assembly. First of all, let me thank my school management for holding the assemblies. This month of November consists of many great traditional festivals like Diwali, Karwa Chauth, and so on. So let us pray to God and ask Him to give us the powers and ability to stay happy throughout these days. So let us start our day with a prayer by Jasmine. New thoughts, new strengths, and endless possibilities. So as to lighten us and brighten our day, here comes Vatanpreet from 10th C.
Good morning all of you, myself Vatanpreet. Today my thought is, loving ourselves means that we have developed resiliency to the shadows of shame that whisper to us, you are not enough.
Wow, what an inspiring thought told by the Vatan. Now let's listen to Virender some views about the Kartik month.
Good morning everyone, this is Virender from 10th standard. Today my speech is on importance of Kartik month. Kartik is the 8th lunar month as per Hindu calendar and is considered as holiest month among all lunar months. Kartik is the best, the purest of purifiers and most glorious of all months. This auspicious month holds immense importance as it is dedicated to the worship of Lord Vishnu and Lord Shiva. Throughout the month, flowing activities are performed. Japa, chanting the holy names of Lord. Worship the Lord by offering ghee, lamps, flowers, foods, etc. Worship Tulsi Devi, give charity. Perform austeries like hear Srimad Bhagavat daily. Festivals fall in this month are Diwali, the festival of lights, Govardhan Puja, popularly known as Anukan, Bhai Dooj and Kartik Ekadashi. Thanks and have a nice day.
Newspaper informs us what is happening day by day in this huge world. So to tell the today's happenings, here comes the Avinu.
Myself Abhinav from class 10C. Today's news headlines are Pulwama terror attack to Sulwait after claim in Pakistan Parliament. PM Modi COVID vaccine drive to spend over a year. COVID center tells state Apple add new hardware button to iPhone. Sport news: Virat Kohli become third Indian to hit 206 in IPL. World champ PV Sindhu quits Olympic Games due to personal reasons land in London. Thanks
Avinu for updating us. Now Aryan will ask some questions of GK.
Today I am speaking some GK questions. The first question is, when was the KV Kamath committee set up? And the answer is August 2020. My second question is, where is the Bose Institute? And the answer is Kolkata. The third question is, which is the longest national highway in India? And the answer is NH44. The fourth question is, where was the first person to reach North Pole? And the answer is Robert Peary. The fifth question is, when is the National Yoga Day celebrated? And the answer is June 21. Thank you.
Thanks Aryan for asking us the questions. Now let me call the Gushan from 10th for explaining the some lines of Japji Sahib.
वाहिगुरु जी खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह। मैं गुरशांत कक्षा 10वीं से आपके सामने जपजी साहब जी की दो पंक्तियां संक्षेप में बताना चाहता हूँ। असंख जप असंख पाओ, असंख पूजा असंख तप ताओ, असंख ग्रंथ मुख वेद पाठ, असंख जोग मन रहे उदास। भावार्थ: इन पंक्तियों में कहा गया है कि इस संसार में अनगिनत जप करने वाले देवी देवता हैं और वह अलग अलग भावना के साथ जाप कर रहे हैं। अनेक प्रकार की पूजा और तप तपस्वी लोग कर रहे हैं। अनेक ग्रंथों और वेदों का पाठ पंडित लोग कर रहे हैं। अनगिनत योग कर और साधना कर योगी लोग दुनिया से बेमुख हो जाते हैं। वाहिगुरु जी खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह।
Assembly is over. Thank you and bye.